All right, so I finally got my welds in. I got 17 by 10s in the back, and then 18 by 8s in the front. And actually hooked now. I've been running these for about a month and a half now. I'd say probably around a month, and they've been working great so far. And they look clean as hell too. But I'm about to get on my GoPro and record some videos for y'all. See me hooking. I'll try to see if I can hook him first. But I won't be running E85 because I have to drive 45 minutes just to get it E85, so it's not even worth it. So I'll be pushing about 700 horsepower, 10 psi, and then eventually I'll get a video of me on E85 because I'll be making 807. But yeah, I think it looks pretty clean.